Here's a tutorial on how to use QRXQ modeling. First, enter the URL bu QRXQ. Click Download Drawing Handy Video. Click button label. You can find the model you want in there. The load corresponding to the model as well as some parameters and motors. You can also click the download button to download the manual to your computer. After selecting the model, you can go back to the website to download I am downloading a PCFM model. When you open it, there are CAD drawings and model files inside. Let's open the most used one, motor right folder. Open it and enter the software page. If you want to change the effective stroke of PCFM, just click on the profile, right? Click and select default. Inside, there are all the stroke lengths. Let's choose daily strokes and click. The whole profile will be gap effective stroke. The slide can also slide left and right. The following is a tutorial on how to change the travel of a ball screw series. Open the model file of Orsted-Parfay's Rassi motor direct connection. After opening, the default is Diva effective stroke. Double click on the profile. Click on the number above the profile. Button means Genom stroke. Let's delete Sivan and change it to today. Click on Rebuild Model. Now the effective stroke becomes. It's very simple and easy to operate. Here you can paste the product loading. You can also choose all the products without logo. QRXQ model construction can contact our customer service. We also support non-standard customization.